Thank you very much. Today, the 4 suspects accused of raping a Tulane student and her friend back in April will be in court.
Matthew Farrell, a senior at Tulane, and 3 Algiers-based Marines, Alexander Davenport, Antonio Landrum, and Jared Anderson, are all facing charges in this case. Duke Carter is live at Orleans Criminal Court this morning with more details on the court proceedings that we'll see happening today. Duke?
Good morning, Eric and Sheba. Yes, all 4 men in connection with the alleged rape are supposed to be in court today for a preliminary hearing. Now, specifically in this case, we're going to be talking about Matthew Farrell, 22 of Potomac, Maryland. He was booked on 2 counts of first-degree rape, and his bond was set at $100,000. Now, Farrell's attorney claims that there are inconsistencies in the case with info from Tulane and New Orleans police. The attorney claims that New Orleans Police Department said in a daily police log that there were 6 or 7 unknown males in the case, while Tulane police wrote in a bulletin that 2 people, then a group, arrived at the home. Meanwhile, Davenport and Anderson were booked with first-degree murder. Landrum was charged with a third-degree rape. Now, meanwhile, back out here in front of Orleans Parish Criminal Courthouse, all of the men involved are expected to be in court later this morning. We hope to have that for you later today. But for now, though, reporting live here near Tulane and Broad, Duke Carter, Eyewitness News.
All right, we will be following this story today. Thank you, Duke.